Good morning. Today I'm showing you how I gain my watch hours so that I can become monetized and hopefully get you tons more watch hours also. Right now I'm showing you my calendar that I have. I blurred out the names of privacy reasons. I just wanted to show you that people are responding great to this watch hour calendar, so you can try this technique also. So I put a picture of a calendar on my Instagram page, and on my YouTube page I just took a calendar off the internet, nothing fancy, just to see who would respond and then go from there. This is a waiting game, so I'm showing you how long I waited and how much I posted. I didn't get everyone's name in my calendar within 5 minutes or anything, but I realized that not everyone was seeing my post or not everyone is following me, so I decided to go to my YouTube channel under subscribers and see if they have Instagram pages. One of my subscribers asked me this question: how do I get people to watch your videos? And there's two. Honestly, I tell them what I want before we come to an agreement of watching and writing their name in my calendar. Second part of the question is, do I only watch one of the playlists or more? I will show you this in a bit in my video, but I go to your channel after the first part of the question is all understood and I hit play all on your videos. And you do the same for me or whoever you are watching. And send proof when you and I are done, and again I have that later in my video on how I do all that. I run all the videos until everything is watched and is redlined through everything. Here's how you support your subscribers with watch hours. Go to your subscribers channel and under video I hit play all. While the videos are playing, I play them at night, so I go watch movies with my husband or while I'm sleeping. In the morning I come down and pause or see where I am in your playlist. If it says how many you have, in my case 53 out of 53, I will then send you proof on Instagram by sending you a video of all the red. If I'm halfway through your videos, then I just pause and play again at night until everything is red. This is how I send you proof on Instagram. I go back to your channel homepage under video, everything will be red. I then go on to Instagram, send you an email. On the Instagram app, there is a camera. Hold it down, you can make a video and scroll through the videos for proof and the time, and then hit send. That is all. That is how I got more watch hours. Good luck. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I love to help you out the best I can. See you next Monday at 10 a.m.